What happened, Logan?
So my cat is dead.
Tell us how.
Logan,
He-
we've been over this.
He ran away and he hasn't been back
What's your YouTube
for
channel, yo?
2 days. So we're pretty sure he's dead, and he had an infection. So like, he was on antibiotics and stuff, and then he threw up on the couch. So he's gone.
You don't know that, right?
That's gross. You have any germs on this table?
Shut up.
I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure isn't all the way sure.
Oh my gosh, Sage. This is bringing back memories from daycare. Remember when she used to like just?
Should I be an artist?
Remember when she used to just like
Yeah.
get the goldfish thing, and then like just shake it on like a napkin in front of us? Brenda.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Shit, back in fucking preschool, they used to make us hot dogs and like cut them so they're like an octopus. Those are the days. You don't even know.
You're gonna fill up so much storage.
That's my grade, Logan.
We've only been going for like a minute.
Ask Calvin. He has a YouTube channel.
Oh my god, I actually come up when you search my name now.
Wow, 6 subscribers, 7 subscribers.
Logan.
The official Logan poll.
I have 8 subscribers.
Hey, wow.
I'm just blowing up.
Do I just subscribe to you?
Yeah, but I had 6.
How's you 8?
I don't know.
You gonna subscribe to Logan? You gonna subscribe to Logan? Subscribe.
Subscribe. It's so cringy. So my next video was gonna be I hate myself, but
No, it's my cat.
now my cat
My
died,
cat's
so
lost.
that's gonna have to be postponed.
This is good content.
Oh my gosh, let's do a mukbang.
Mukbang?
Mukbang.
No, it's mukbang.
What?
Mukbang?
What the hell is that?
Where you eat.
I'm gonna do an ASMR channel.
What channel?
Did you break it?
Whoever gets the most views.
Yep. That's what I'm gonna do.
Oopsies.
Office
So you're
Depot.
gonna do like channel videos? Not channel videos, challenge videos?
My goal is
When
to.
did you post this? Is the y'all at the end making fun of me?
No. That's before you
sorry.
said it.
I say it all the time.
Say it.
Heather, I swear to God, I'm gonna
I don't know why I said bye, y'all. Like all I can think of.
Really,
When
I
you're
just
on
said that
camera,
I was
you're.
alive, and I said y'all.
Whenever you're
I
on
was like, I'm
camera,
not
you're
dead,
just like
y'all.
really on the spot.
Try making fun of her.
It wasn't making fun of her.
That wasn't. I was talking about you all. That's y'all. Is you.
But we
all.
don't live in Texas, so
So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
we're not Texans.
You're gonna make it.
We're not Texans. What are we?
We're Southerners.
California.
Californians.
Californians. God, I don't like that. I fucking hate California.
You don't want to be a California
She's gonna
girl?
be a Mississippian.
Oh, you're going with Danny to Mississippi?
I don't know if Danny's going anymore. But...
Mississippi Community College, right?
Dude, you can be a Mississippi queen.
You don't want to be a California
Probably
girl?
half of them are inbred, so they're all ugly. It's true. It's a song, so that's why I said it.
Why did you choose Mississippi?
It's deep and it's in the south.
Do you want to live in the South? Why?
Just he always speaks like
Because
she
she
lives
says
there.
y'all.
Yeah.
No, because my
You
parents
can say
bought
y'all
property
all
there.
she wants and she'll never get made fun of.
Shut up, Tyler.
Why did they buy property there? For you specifically? Or?
No, it was a long time ago we bought a farm. It's cheap. It's really cheap.
Because
Oklahoma's,
inflation
like,
hasn't
cheap,
hit it. The
too.
dust
So does
Bowl
anyone
still
even
affected it.
live on the farm, like
No,
right
we
now?
sold the farm. But ever since then, I wanted to move there.
Now you're a farmer too?
No, fuck you. We hired a farmer.
When's Dust Bowl 2 coming? Do you not know what the Dust Bowl is?
What are you?
You were so confused in that group chat.
I don't know what Mismo means.
Same.
Oh.
I said same.
Can you stop videoing me?
It's for my channel.
Do you not take any Spanish?
No, I did. 3 years.
Are you like cutting it, or is this just gonna be your whole entire video? Are
I
you gonna,
kind of like
I
to
said
keep the
that-
footage
He
raw.
says he
said
want to cut it because
that-
it's too much work.
Oh my lord!
We have to put my theme music over
I'm gonna
it.
give people
What's your theme music?
Every YouTuber's theme music is my theme music.
That's Jeopardy.
Jeopardy? Yeah.
Oh my god.
I would make my
You didn't know what the Dust Bowl was.
Okay, let's finish up this video. So my cat's dead,
What?
and
Sage
That's
says
about
y'all
it.
a lot.
see how Sage says y'all a lot.
He has a YouTube channel.
So like and
Have you seen
subscribe.
his first video?
Bye.
It's with Jamie Larson.
Oh, this
Stop
is good
recording.
shit. This is good shit.
What?